Hello students, in the last class we have looked at ascending order. Now we will see at descending order with some examples. So, in this example, we will try to arrange these numbers in descending order. That is, from bigger number to smaller number. So, what is the first step? Count the number of digits in each number. This number has got 5 digits. This 5. This number has got 5 digits. This also has got 5 digits. So, what is the next step? Look at the first digit. All numbers have same first digit, that is 2. And so with these two steps we cannot find the bigger or smaller number. So next step is go to next number, next digit, that is. So in all these numbers we have 5 as the second digit number. So next step is go to third digit, that is, in this number it is 3, this 2, 6 and 5. So which number has got the highest number in the third digit place? That is this. So in descending order, that will come at first. Descending order. Which number will come first? This, because this has got the highest number in the third place. Next bigger number in the third place is 3. That is 25,398. Next to it is 2. So this number will take the place of third in this order. 25,292. And the last one is this, the least one, 25,136. Now we have looked at ascending and descending order in the numbers. Now let me tell you the examples in the real life of ascending and descending order. Ascending and descending orders are not just used in numbers, they are used in real life also. Like in your school assemblies, you might have seen that teachers make the students to stand according to their height, like the shortest being in the front and the tallest being at the back. So how the height goes? The height goes on increasing, right? So this will be your ascending order. And anything which goes in the reverse order will be descending. That is, bigger in the front at first and smaller at last. And the arrangement will look like this. This is your descending order. Now, how to read this bigger numbers? How to read this higher digit numbers? Like how to read this number? For this, we need place values, which you have studied in your previous classes. Let's recall the place values and let's try to read out this number. This place is units place. Unit. This is tens place. This will be hundreds place. This thousands place, and this is your 10,000s place. So how to read this number? Then how to read this number? Look at these place values and try to read this number. So this has got 10,000s place, this thousands place. So this number is read as 35,000. From this we will go. From the first we will see how to read this. This will be 35,000, and from here 962. Okay. Now with these many digits, that is 5 digits, which is the number with lowest value, that is the lowest value 5-digit number is this number has got 5 digits, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This number will be your lowest 5-digit number. How? If we reduce it by 1, what we will get? We will get a 4-digit number, that is 9,999. So what I asked you which is the lowest value 5-digit number. That will be your 10,000. Now what is the highest value 5-digit number? That will be your this. How to write this? 99,999. This is your highest value 5-digit number. How? If I increase it by 1, what I will get? This is 0, 0, 0, 1. I will get a 6-digit number. And what is this number called? This is 1 lakh. Okay? So this has got a new place value, that is 1 lakh. So for 5 digits number, we have unit, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, and the 6 digit will have a place value of 1 lakh. Right? Now let me take an example and try to read it out. Okay. How to read this number? Let's look at the place values. Unit, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh. So how to read this? 2,50,683. Okay. Now this is your 1 lakh's place value. Now let's look at the higher place values. What will come after lakh's place value? Okay. Unit, ten, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. What is after this? And how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So in a number which is more than 10 lakhs will have 7 digits, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And what if we have 8 digits? What will be the higher place value? And let's say in this, with these many place values, that is 7, which will be the highest value number with 7 digits? That is this is your highest valued 7-digit number. How? If I increase it by 1, I will get a 8-digit number, right? Let's see. This 9 plus 1 will be 0 in the same way. See, this number has got 8 digits. And how is this read? This is read like this: unit, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So 99 lakhs, 99,999, and this is a new place value of crore. So the newer place value is crore, and this is the least value or lowest 8-digit number. Okay. Now let's see what is next in this chapter. Okay. You might have seen that anywhere if a larger number is written, then there are commas given in between the numbers, and you might have wondered how are these commas given and why are they placed in that particular place. Let's see. If I write a number like there are commas given in between the numbers like this. How are these given? How are these commas given here? And why are they given in this place only? Why not here or here? That is because this is given according to the place values. This number has got units place, this tens place, this 100, the same way 1000. 10,000, lakh, and 10 lakh. Till this number, that is 3 digits, how we read? We read the numbers like 101, 102, 103, like that, right? In the same way, if it goes beyond 151, like this. And after that, the place value changes from 100 to 1000. And the next number will be read as 10,000. So these two place values has a common thing, that is 1000, right? So if we go to next, what will be the place value? Lakh. It changes, right? If we read a number with 5 digits, we read it like in this only. Suppose leave this and read this. This will be 29,329. If we take a next number, we will read it like 8,29,000. So the commas are used here like this. This is the convention to read the numbers easily. Now the next topic is approximation. Why do we need approximation? We need approximation to estimate the values. What is estimation? Estimation is nothing but getting the rough idea about how much the sum or product or the difference will be. Okay, let's see how to approximate a number to a nearest value. Okay, let's take for example a series starting with 260. 260, 261, 262, 263. let's see how approximation is. Okay, let's see how approximation is done. Why do we need approximation? Let me take an example. Suppose there is a man who has to take two sum of amounts from two different people. Okay? Suppose Ubamansha take Amit ಅಂತ ಒಬ್ಬ ಮನುಷ್ಯ ಅವ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಇಬ್ಬರ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ರೊಕ್ಕ ಇಸ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಎಷ್ಟು ಇಸ್ಕೋಬೇಕು? ಒಬ್ಬನ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ 252 ಇಸ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬನ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ 392 ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಇಷ್ಟು ತಗೊಂಡು ಅವ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ, ಅವನಿಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕಡೆ ಈಗ ಇಬ್ಬರ ಕಡೆ ರೊಕ್ಕ ಇಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ, 550 ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ಈಗ ಅವ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನ, ಅವ ಏನ್ ವಿಚಾರ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನ, ನಾಳೆ ಒಬ್ಬನಿಗೆ 550 ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಇವ್ರ ಕಡೆ ಎಷ್ಟಿಷ್ಟು ಇಸ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಇವ್ರ ಕಡೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ತಗೊಂಡ್ರ ನಾವನಿಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದೇನು, ಅವ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತ ಕೊಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತ 2 + 2 ಮಾಡಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ 5 + 9 ಮಾಡಿ, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಸಮ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. ರಫ್ ಆಗಿ ಇದು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನ, ಇದು ನಿಯರೆಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ತಗೋತಾನೆ. ಇದು 250, ಇದು 300 ಗಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಅದ. ಸೊ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಆಗಿ ನಂಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತದೆ, 550 ಗಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಬಂದೇ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಹಿಂಗ ಅವ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನ, ಜಲ್ದಿ ಎಸ್ಟಿಮೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಎಸ್ಟಿಮೇಷನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, ಈಸಿಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಈಗ ನೋಡೋಣ ಅಪ್ರಾಕ್ಸಿಮೇಷನ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. Okay, in this number series, if a number is suppose 263, if I take this number is closer to 270 or 260. This number is closer to, of course, 260. By how many steps? 1, 2, 3. This number is closer to 260 just by 3 steps. So if I get any number closer to 260, I will approximate it to 260. And suppose if the number is 267, is it closer to 270 or 260? It is closer to 270. By how many steps? 1, 2 and 3. It is closer to 270. And from 260, how many steps far it is? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See, that number is closer to 270. So if I have a number like 267, I will approximate it to 270. Now let's see how approximation is done clearly. That is, from 1 to 4. From 1 to 4, if I get any number in between, I'll approximate it to the previous number. And if I get a number from 6 to 9, I'll approximate it to the next number. Like from 1 to 4, if I get any number, I'll approximate it to the previous number. Like you get 260. And here it is 270. What if I get 265? 265 is at the same distance from, it is same steps far ahead from 270 as well as 260. We have seen that if we get 1 to 4, we will approximate it to the previous tens value. If we get 6 to 9, we will approximate it to the next tens value. What if we get 5? 5 is at the same step ahead of 260 and same steps behind 270. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 5 steps ahead of 260 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 steps behind 270. So what to do here? How to approximate 265? The normal convention is 5 is approximated to next tens value. Okay? So now let's look at approximating to hundreds value. Hundreds place, approximating to hundreds place. Suppose if I get a number like 252, how to approximate here? 52. Let's look at this. 52 is closer to 300 or 200. It's closer to 300, right? So if we get any number like this, and if the condition is like we have to approximate it to a 100th place value, then we will go to the next 100th number. That is 250 is closer to 300. And if I get a number like 235, how to, if the number in the tens place is less than 50, then what we will do? We will approximate it to the previous 100. That is, in this case, it will be 200. So what we have seen now? Approximation to the 10th place and to the 100th place. Now let's see what is the next topic. Okay. Approximations used in addition, subtraction, multiplication, like that. We will see. We will look at some examples of using approximation. Suppose I have some numbers like in this case, in this example, we need to find the sum of these two numbers. Let's see how to find the sum easily, approximate sum easily by using the method of approximation. See, this number is 39. So this number is 39,642. This number is 52,361. So in this case, I can approximate this number to 40,000. Why? See, this number is above 5, more than 5. So what will I do? I will go to the next number. I will take the approximate value to the next number, that is 40,000. In this case, it is 52,361. So I can approximate this to 50,000. Because this number is closer to 50,000 and this number is closer to 40,000. Now I will add the numbers and I will get 90,000. Now let's check if this also is closer to 90,000. If the sum of these two numbers is also closer to 90,000. That is 2 plus 1 3, 4 plus 6 10, and carry 6 plus 1 7 plus 3 10, 10 plus 2 is 12, and this is 9. See, in this case, what we have got? 92,003. This is closer to 90,000, right? This is how approximation is used in estimation of a sum, that is in addition. Now, let me take an example of using approximation in multiplication. That is, if I have a number like 36 and 42, I want to multiply these numbers. 36 into 42. In this case, if I approximate the numbers to the nearest values, what will be the numbers? That will be, this number is nearest to 40, and this number is nearer to also 40. In this case, if we multiply these numbers, what will we get? 0 into 0, 0, 0 into 4 is 0, plus 4 into 0, 0, 4 into 4, 16. So the answer is 0, 0, 6. So 40 into 40 is 1600. Now let's see if the product or multiplication of these two numbers is also closer to this number. 2 into 6, 12. We carry 2 3s are 6 plus 1 7, plus 4 into 6 24, 4 2 10, 4 into 3 12, plus 2 14. This is 2, 7 plus 4 is 11, 1 plus 4 is 5, and this is 1. See, this number, if we approximate, what we will do? We will look at this second digit place. This is 5. What is the convention? If the number is 5, we need to take the next number. So this is closer to this. This is how approximation is used in estimation of product. So this is all about estimation. Okay, we are left with two more topics in this chapter, that is expanding the bracket and Roman numbers. We will look at those topics in the next class. Thank you.